Good day, Madam and Sir. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Danielle Buela. I am 37 years old and live in Dasmariñas, Cavite, Philippines. I am a high school graduate and I am a single parent. I have two children, a 14 years old girl and a 12 years old boy. My main motivation to working abroad is to support my family and provide a better future for them. I have a 5 years experience working as household. My main duties are general housekeeping, ironing, laundry, and taking care of a newborn baby. I can cook a local dishes and I will willing to learn new recipe according to your preferences. If you choose me as your domestic helper, I promise to be honest, polite, obedient, and hardworking. I promise I will finish my contract and follow your house rules. Thank you very much, Madam and Sir. I hope to see you soon.